Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing amazing at your place. My name is Amrita and you are watching Amrita English Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Have you been the situation when you feel English is not meant for me? You try harder and sometimes situation get worst. You staining your eyes and dark circle and you are like whatever you can do, you are giving your heart and soul to learn this language, but somewhere back of the mind you feel the way I am giving heart and soul to this language, result I'm not getting. So it's all about your strategy and not a right roadmap to follow. In this video, I have come with the 20-minute English blueprint. If you have a less time and within a small period of time, how you can make most of it. In this video, I'm going to talk about the same. If you have a 20-minute or 30-minute, you can do wonders in this language. But yeah, make sure you do this thing consistently. It is not like that half an hour you are doing it once or twice in a week and you are saying me Amrita I'm not improving. So this is not a good way. So make promise of yourself you are going to follow this rule and you can get fluency and confidence too. So without further ado, let's dive deeper into this video. And first important aspect of this topic is power power up your vocabularies. Do you know what plays what plays vocabularies in English speaking? The more word you have, the more confidence you become. People often underestimate the word. They feel that I have a certain vocabulary list so I can speak. Yes, they can speak. Definitely, they can speak. There is no bones about it. But if you want to be confident, if you want to express it out so beautifully, your thoughts, you have to work on your vocabularies. I'm not saying you have to work very hard on your vocabulary. Just pick it 1 to 2 words, make sentences, make some hypothetical situation, create, surround yourself. If this situation comes, how can you use? This is a simple and easy way. Just we need to focus a little bit day to day life. Make sure you work on consistently. It is not like that once in a week or twice in a week. If you are giving 20 minutes or 30 minutes, then you can improve. Yes, somewhere you can improve, but if you want to get result in a tremendous way, so you have to show up consistently. So make sure you are going to be consistent in your journey, because I want you all to be consistent. Because of that I started this series 30-day challenge, so at least we can learn something daily. So let's move forward. Our second point: build an English mindset. What is plays? Build an English mindset means we often overlap the things, right? Just we think in our mother tongue than English, and this kind of process our mind get confused, and we never try to think direct in English, because once we make a habit of translation, it's really hard to get rid of, right? Because I faced these challenges in my life when I was beginner. So first I used to think in my mind, first in my mother tongue, then translate, and in this way I think a lot, but no longer I do this thing, and now I can understand and now I can speak without thinking even a single minute, because there is only one thing I did it. I trained my mind to think in English. So you have to do the same, and it's need to be done, right? So let's move on our third point: unlock your speaking power. What does it mean? We often try to read something, right? But we never try to implement in our life. If you want to speak English, do you think abundance of book if you read in English about how to speak and you can start speaking? Never. We never can speak. We can read, we can learn so many things, we can adapt so many knowledge, we can, you know, we can add up so many vocabularies, thoughts, we can increase our cognitive thinking, but we never speak with reading, right? So if you want to speak it out, you have to make sure habit of speaking. What you can do, start describing your surrounding, start speaking with your kids, start asking some question to yourself. This is only way to do practice. If you are alone, if you don't have a partner, don't wait. Just anyone come to in your life and they talk to you, and then and there you can do practice. No, no wait, no need to wait even a single minute if you really want to learn this language. So I feel this thing. Let's move another point. Learn through real English. Just 2 days back, I created one video on my YouTube channel, how to speak English in real situation. I thought that day, I thought I didn't get time. That's why I created this video, because English is all about expression and your way of expressing the thoughts, how beautifully you can express. Things become easy when you do daily practice. Other than that, you feel somewhere stuck. So, you have to do the same. Just try to learn through real English. Real English means whatever I'm doing, start describing something. If your kids are playing, what you can see. And if you are not able to this, just pick it one picture from Google or Chat GPT and try to describe it out. It will help you so many ways. It is a countless benefits for this. So last but not the least is my point. Track your growth. Whatever you do for whole day, we need to track. We just keep on working on like a reckless chicken, or we are not getting anything, or we get something, because just try to count your time. If you are not counting your time, and if you are not giving so much attention your time will always pass. But make sure, if you invest your time 1 to 2 hours, so what you get, even a 20 minutes, so what you get. Try to ask, if you are aware in your mind at like how much time you are investing, so things become easy and you are more concentrate towards your journey, towards your learning, whatever you are doing. And review is most important part in our life. Just before hit the sack, just before going to bed, you try to ask what you have learned today, and what it need to be improvement, and what will you do tomorrow. Ask some basic frame question, 4 or 5, and try to answer them as well. This is the easiest way to do your practice, but make sure you be consistent, because always consistency beats talent. I am big witness in front of you, because just 1.5 year back, my English was not as much as good today's. So because of consistency, and I make it happen, because it was my dream to speak English, and now I can articulate my sentence, and in a beautiful way, because I can play with my words. Now I got this thing. So I feel this video help you out. If you have a less time, if you are working professionally, if you feel this is for whom they have a so much time, but you can do also. If you're still busy, you can make sure to give even a 10 minutes if you don't have a 20 minutes. But think in your mind how you are gonna invest at least 10 minutes. Try to invest your time in a smart way, not in a hard way, because now time has changed. We all are doing practice, but some people are doing wonders in their journey, but somewhere they are stucking. So it's all about their strategy, their roadmap, their hard work, and on the top of that their smart work. So I hope this video you like, and if you like, don't forget to subscribe my channel Amrita English Hub, and next day I will come with so beautiful topic with you all. And thank you so much, gratitude for everyone whosoever is watching my video. And until then, bye bye. I meet you again in my next video. Bye bye.